wheels fall off. You know what you do.
Hi everybody, I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. Today's video is gonna be an Easter makeup tutorial, so I don't know how this will turn out. Hopefully it'll turn out great. This is what I came up with. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. And let's get started. I already put like my primer, my concealer, my brows already. I did my base with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I used the Golden Hosher. I still haven't taken out the brush yet, but this is what I was using. Bonone Fresco. It's like a lilac purple. It's like my holy grail palette right now. Easter is meant for like something like not too much makeup, but something like a little bit color and stuff like that. That's how I would picture Easter to be. I'm putting a lot of purples in the crease as well. Putting it all over because I will blend it. I'm gonna be blending it, so it will look like that. I have the chocolate palette right here from Too Faced, Sassy, which is that one right there. So it has like that nice shimmer to it, you know. And I'm just gonna apply that right here, like half of my eyes, not all the way. This palette literally smells like chocolate, y'all. I don't have the tape this time, so it's gonna be harder for me. I feel like the tape just helps it like guide you. My eyes, making sure there's like the colors come in, you know. So I'm gonna use this brush right here, and then I'm gonna try right there, which is like a silver, it's like a copper silver. So I'm gonna apply that right here, like I'm making a crease, so I can have that nice shine. Then after that, I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye. So yeah, it looks like this. It's like a nice shimmer gold. I like the shimmer. It's very pigmented. Like, I like it. This I recently bought this palette. I went to Nordstrom Rack and I got the Smashbox. So this box is called Masterclass Palette, and it's from Smashbox. So you get like 4 things inside. You get like 2 eyeshadows, you get the contouring, and this is supposed to be like the lipstick. I didn't see any like singles in Nordstrom Rack, so I just bought the box. It was like I think $27, and I got, and the original price for this was like 60 something. I might be wrong. It looks like that. That. And I never tried this palette as well, so we'll see how it'll turn out. So that's what I'm going to be using. The good thing about this palette, it has like the names on the glass, so you know what to, you know where to go. So I'm going to apply this orange right here, like right there. Oh, that's so nice. I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye as well. So once I'm done with that color, I'm going to be using, and the blue one is called Tail Feather. And then I'm just going to apply that right here. Okay? Gonna blend it. I'm going to do like that, but just like blend a little bit. So it has like a light smoky look. Not too much. Look is supposed to be like a little bit lighter type of look and not too dark. So that's what I'm trying to aim for right now, because I'm trying to match the other eye. And once you're done with that color, I'm gonna be using Overbaked, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna put that underneath my waterline. My eyes as of this right now, so this is what it looks like. So it's not too harsh, it's not too much or anything, you know, when it comes to Easter. at least for me. So the next thing I'm gonna do this time is go with this one right here, because I always like to have a highlight in my brows. Here. I like that right there. Looks like that. It says Cover FX. It's like a little shimmery, just a dab right here in the middle. Just, you know, blend it just a little bit. I'll be using my 330 Revlon foundation because it's my favorite Holy Grail Cosmetics brush for my foundation. And then just dab. I used a big brush this time so I can blend all of it. But when you use a small brush, it's like so hard to like apply all your face, all over your face. I mean, it's so hard to talk now because I'm so used to doing a voice overview. Pretty exciting. So once I'm done with the foundation, I'm gonna be using Fair from Ulta Mineral Powder Foundation. So I'm gonna apply that. Sorry guys, my phone fell. You know how much this phone dropped like 50 times and it never cracked or anything? God, this case is really good right now. And I only got this case for like $5. This is my brush from Eco Tools. I'm gonna use it as my powder brush.
Oh, 5, 6, 7.
Having like migraines again. I'm just gonna apply the powder all over my face. And I hope that you guys had like an awesome weekend. Let me know in the comments below what you guys did. And also don't forget to leave a video request for me so I know what to post next time, like new videos coming up, you know.
So I mixed up my makeup collection and stuff, so I cleaned it and stuff like that.
It used to be my dresser over there, but I switched it, so now it's like a lot nicer and cleaner and more organized. So yeah, I'm gonna use like a contouring palette from Beach Cosmetics. This one, just a little dab. It looks like pink on camera, but trust me guys, it's not. Just a little bit like that. Looks like that. And usually with the blush, I go like around my side of my head right here, because you know you can have that nice glow a little bit. Because I think everyone does this now, you know. Big contouring. And I'm just gonna put this. I'm just gonna dab a little bit. Just dab, not like that. Because last time I did that, oh my god, crisis. And once I do that, you know, I contour my nose like right here, so I can have that nice like dark shape. That's really cool.
And then after that, I use this one right here. And just like a dab though, like a very dab.
Like that, just like a line. And then brush it like that. I'm gonna use this Ulta brush and just go blend it, the contouring. I know it's kind of dark, but I'm gonna blend it a lot so I can show a lot more. It's a little dark, but it's fine. It's not too much, right? So once I'm done with the contouring, I go with my bronzer. I use the Wild Flower from Beach Cosmetics. I thought I need to buy a bronzer. Going to BeautyCon, I know comments as well, because I might be going there because it's like near me. If I do go, I'm definitely gonna do a vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while because I want to focus on just mainly makeup tutorials on this channel. I'm just mixing it around. It looks like that. This is from Boxy Charm. And I'm just gonna try to do something different. So I'm gonna try this like lilac purple right here. I'm using the same brush this time. And then just light it up with my nose. I'm gonna be using the Ulta brand. It's Plush Drama. I like how, and then I just curl my eyelashes. When I'm yawning, girl, it's you I'm calling. She steady puts it up before me. She never told me. She give everything up for me. I'm gonna try this voluminous lash paradise to do today after this video. So that's another video to film. This pencil from Profusion, and then just line it up with my waterline. Take your time if you want to, like it's your birthday. Let's use this one right here, and I'll use Night Shoot, which is like a black glitter right here. I'm getting sick. And I'm gonna use this brush just to pick up the excess. That one. I'm just gonna put it underneath the black. I think I was done with my eyes. No. Just like a little highlight on the under eyes. See? Leopard right here. And I'm just gonna apply that right here. And then just dab it. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna leave it like that, the black one. And then just go underneath here, do like a dark black right here. So it can have that nice, you know, effect. It looks like I have like a volume in my eyes. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye.
I'm gonna like a little wing, but not too much. I know I try to make like a, I know I'm not.
So it's like this. So it's not too black, it's not too much. So I'm gonna leave it as that. I'm gonna use this as my lip gloss for a little bit. I love it. It tastes like watermelon. For, you know, Easter, you have to have something light pinkish and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be using this one. It looks like a Barbie pink. And the color for that one is 696 Pink Sugar. And that's from Maybelline. Light, not too dark and stuff. So yeah, this is my makeup look for Easter. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like it. I know it's kind of like just a normal, simple Easter look, how I would personally wear. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for stopping by. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I'ma top you off with a bottle of that Ready Whip. Got your legs up, hands handcuffed to the headboard. I'ma make you beg for it now. Ride it. Ooh, baby, you know that I love it right there.